Hi guys, welcome to another great episode of Property Take right here on the MX24. And just like we promised you, every episode we would bring you prime properties. Hi guys, welcome to Ghana's first ever golf gated community. And I know you will love it. Every time we play the game of golf, one thing comes to mind because we say golf is life. Golf is decisions that we make and prices that we pay. I know that you like to pay a very good price for a property in this beautifully gated community. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me. When I come back, I'll be ready to take you on a tour. My name is very simple. My name is Chrissy Desmond. I love that you call me COD, and I'm telling you that today's experience is going to wow you. Let's go and see what I have for you. I present you another breathtaking property. Like I mentioned today, I'm in the first ever golf gated community right here in Accra, Ghana at East Legon Hills. And this is a detached 3-bedroom unit right here in this gated community. I know you're ready like I'm ready. And so if you are, let's go see what I have for you today. So entering into this property, you come through the main entrance and this is your door. So you come into this beautiful, breathtaking property. I love this property so much and I'm going to tell you why. Because first of all, it's in a gated community and it gives you all the kind of vibe you would want for your family, for your friends, and for your loved ones. So you come in here, you have this whole stretch as your living area and so beautifully set up for you so you have an idea of how this property is going to look like when it's furnished. But when you actually buy this property, it comes unfurnished. So this is just a showroom to give you an idea of how the detached 3-bedroom looks like. Wonderful living space, beautiful paintings on the wall. This leads you right in your open plan kitchen. This kitchen can actually be closed up because of how it's been constructed. So you go right into your kitchen, and you have your wonderful extractor right here. So if you're cooking in this space, you shouldn't be thinking or wondering if you're going to have problems with the smell going through the room. No, this can do the job for you. You have your beautiful Bosch stove right here, electric stove right here, and you have your wonderful oven right here. You have your oven right here that can sort out everything you want. And then you have your sink. Voila! Water everywhere, clean, purified water everywhere. Lots and lots of storage space, and so you can save a lot in this house. You have your fridge here, but like I said earlier, this is just to give you an idea of how this house is going to look, but it actually comes unfurnished when you buy it. If you want us to help you with the furnishing, we can help you with the furnishing. You have a storeroom right here for yourself, and so you can store, just like we have paintings and we still have some stools that will be coming into the house later on. You have a wonderful storeroom here. And I know you guys said we should be systematic sometimes, but sometimes you get into a space and it's so wonderful, so you just play around with everything. Let's go see our first bedroom of this 3-bedroom detached house in this golf gated community. So entering into your first bedroom, wonderful space, beautiful tiling. I'm very particular about how the windows are positioned and allowing the daylight to come. When we go outside and you see the finishing of the house, the facade, you want to actually understand how this was built, so you have lots of natural light coming in. You have air and ventilation all throughout the property. You have your fitted AC. It comes with a fitted AC. We've given you the opportunity to come choose your own pendant light, and so we haven't fixed that for the house yet. And then this is the guest bedroom, and so the guest bedroom has a washroom right here. So you have a washroom. This is quite small, but for a guest, I think it's okay. And I think sometimes you need to make the guests have an experience of a small washroom so they don't stay in your house for too long. That's just on the flip side of it. But yes, that is our first bedroom. It also actually comes with a guest washroom. And so this door actually takes you into the guest washroom. And so if you have guests, they can be comfortable by using the space right here. Now, we are going to go to the top floor of this property. Do I take you to the top floor? Okay, let me just mention this. When you're in the living area of this property, beautiful view, beautiful ambience, beautiful. It relaxes your brain because when you are sitting right here with your friends, with your family, with your business partner, you're discussing your business and you have this whole swimming pool, this greenery, and then you also have that space right there that you can create like a pool. It relaxes your brain and it's beautiful. I'm going to go up, I'll come there so we have a beautiful view of the pool area, the greenery area, and also the pool bar area. So let's go. Top floor of this property. Stairs well constructed. It doesn't feel too stiff and it's just easy to climb up. So you just go up and it's beautiful. So coming to the top, you're met with this beautiful chandeliers. I love them. I love them so much. They're so beautiful, and it gives you a bit of like an antique vibe with a current modern vibe, and that is beautiful. So like I mentioned, it's a 3-bedroom. So let's go to see the second bedroom of this property. Lot and lot of space. This is actually home. This is where you can rest, you can relax, and you can say that I am home. Yeah, this is a home. It comes with your AC is already fitted in. It's going to come with a wardrobe, but we haven't fitted in the wardrobes yet. So it's going to come with a wardrobe. You have your washroom right here. Lots and lots of space right here. So you have your washroom, you have a WC. You have good space to have actually comfortable bath. And so this property actually satisfies you with the kind of space that you would want in your property. Let's go see the master bedroom of this property. Woo! Like I said, it's the space. I love it because usually when properties are in a gated community, you don't get to have the properties with a lot of space. But this property actually satisfies you and gives you that space, that comforting nature that you want to find when you are in a property. It relaxes you, and this actually has a balcony. And so standing at the balcony of this property, you have a pool view. You have a view of the golf course. So we're currently putting the golf course together. So that is a beautiful scene that we are going to be having right here in this development. And like I mentioned, this development sits on a 60-acre land. And so properties like this, and then the semi-detached one I'm going to be walking you through shortly, that one, what do you have? In here, we're going to have our walk-in closet. So we haven't put the wardrobes and the closets together yet. But the walk-in closets are going to come right here. And then you go into your washroom. Now in the washroom, you have the opportunity to choose between the bath tap. You have the bathtub right here. Beautiful wash and basins and vanity right here. Beautiful mirrors and great shower and WC. Wonderful. Everything is ready. We're ready for you. This property comes with a beautiful payment plan, and so you shouldn't be afraid or scared at all. Just give us a call. It's on +233-246-329094 because we are always here to make sure that your real estate needs are satisfied. Come on. Let's just take a walk down this corridor. This door takes you to the terrace of this property. The property is a 3-bedroom with a terrace, and so you come right here and you have this wonderful space. You can sit here friends, family, business partners. You put in some beautiful furniture right here, and you enjoy great views. You enjoy great views. This from the terrace right here, you can also see your beautiful pool, and so it's a beauty to behold. It's a beauty to behold. This is a wonderful development that satisfies all your needs. Beautiful. So let me take you to the semi-detached one, and then I'll later on share with you the prices. This property cost you 450,000 USD to own something like this in this beautiful 60-acre golf gated community at East Legon Hills in Accra, Ghana. Then the semi-detached one is a 2-bedroom semi-detached, and that is going to cost you 220,000 to own one of that. Their payments plan, I'll put them in the description part of this video. Call me, let's discuss it extensively, and you have this wonderful property to yourself. Let's go. 2-bedroom detached part of this wonderful gated community, but I want to show you the pool area for the detached 3-bedroom before we go to the semi-detached 2-bedroom. So you have this beautiful pool that comes with your 3-bedroom detached house right here in this golf gated, the first ever happening in Ghana, and it's right here at East Legon Hills in Accra. Wonderful pool, and you have this space here. So if I own this property, like I always try to do, I'm going to create a pool bar. So I have a beautiful counter here, and then I'll have my beautiful furniture. Or keep it simple like how we have this setup right here, and it's all up to you. Now we have lots and lots of greeneries around. You have all this area right here. So if you want to throw a party, I think this compound, this side and the front part, you can host say 50 to 70 people. Yeah, you can have a wonderful party because this is the property that gives you exactly what you need. Let's go see the 2-bedroom semi-detached one, because those ones are not furnished, so it's going to be a quick run through, and then it gives you an idea so you have the various options available in this gated community. So like I told you guys, I'll be showing you the 2-bedroom semi-detached part of this wonderful golf gated community here in East Legon Hills in Accra, Ghana. This is the 2-bedroom semi-detached property of this beautiful development. You ready? You want to see it? I'm going to allow the camera to take you through this wonderful exhibit. Let's go! So like I've always told you right here on this channel, COD Realty and Properties, we give you nothing but the best. This beautiful gated community that would have a golf course and will have other amenities that you'll be excited about, serving you with detached and semi-detached options is available for you. And so for those of you in the diaspora, those of you in Ghana, in this part of the world, and you want to get yourself a property, just call us on +246-329-0994. Follow us on our social media handle on Instagram is ITZ_COD1. And until next time, you're right here on COD Realty and Property. We say beyond that standard. Bye-bye.